What's up everyone? Welcome to this new video. This is take 2 of the dog's perspective. In the previous video we used the GoPro Hero 9 to put it on the dog's back. I put it on boost mode, which is very good stabilization, and it still didn't hold up. It was a good video, it almost got around 20,000 views, but I really wanted to make the video again with the Insta360 OneX. This camera has been lying in my drawer for a while because I don't use this much, but this thing's stabilization is crazy because it has a 360 view around it. You can then choose any angle you want in editing. So this video is much better. It's what I wanted from the beginning. The Hero 9 didn't do the job that good, but the 360 camera did. This is what it looks like when you put the 360 camera on my doggy's back. So guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe, comment, like and share this video. It will help the YouTube algorithm and it will help this channel to grow a bit faster. Thank you very please. I will see you next time. Bye. How does my light look? Welcome, the mic is just here. Can you hear? Yes, you can see it.